Hi, I'm going to make the Chinese sausage roll today. I have one Chinese sausage, and that's Chinese sausage. You need to wash it and steam that for 5 minutes. So this is already did that for 5 minutes. Gonna turn on like that. And I have 2 tablespoons of green onion and 2 tablespoons of red pepper. And I have about 6 ounces of shrimp. Then I put a pinch of salt and white pepper in it. Then I put 1 teaspoon of cooking lime and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then I mix. After you mix, you can feel they're really sticky. So I'm going to divide it by half. Then I scoop the shrimp and heat it down again. And I do another one. Then I'm going to put all the green onion and the red pepper in it. Then you mix. Then I'm going to spray some oil right here. Okay, then I put the Chinese sausage in here. Then I roll it right here. Okay, that looks good. Then I'm gonna roll it in the cornstarch. Okay, that looks good. Then I turn on the oil for 350. Then I'm gonna deep fry it until they turn a golden brown. I'm gonna turn over a little bit. Well, I'm going to deep fry it until they turn a golden brown. They probably take 4 or 5 minutes. I want to make sure the shrimp cook through. Okay, they looks like almost done. I just want to make sure the shrimp cook through. Okay, this is about done. See how they turn a golden brown right now? So I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to cut into pieces. Yep. Okay, and I'm going to put it in a plate right here. Okay, that's what I make today, the Chinese sausage roll.